Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Mark, and I love teaching you little tricks that'll help you make things faster. Somebody asked me today how to make a book stand, something really simple to hold two or three books on a table to display them. And I realized, you know what? This is exactly the same thing as a small phone stand. You just make it a lot bigger. And in this case, she needed one that I think held a book that was 10 inches by 12 inches and you needed to hold three or four of them. So what I did real quick was I just made a giant phone stand, and I wanted real quick to show you guys how these work, because once you learn this principle, it makes it really easy to do all kinds of things. First thing you want to do is make a rectangle here. This top part will be the size of the book. It doesn't matter how big the book is. You can make it much smaller, like a paperback book like this. Whatever will match the size of your book. And then you're going to take another rectangle, and that's going to be the kickstand here. You're going to have to play a little bit with the length of the kickstand to make sure it gets the angle that you want. But all you do is you measure the thickness of your material, and then you make a slot right here that's the thickness of your material, and that slot goes exactly halfway through this piece, right to the middle, and then this other one goes halfway through on the other one. So when they slide together, it just makes a perfect stand like that. And that's all it takes to make a book stand. No matter what size you need, this will work for all kinds of things. And once you learned that principle, you can make slotted together Christmas trees and all kinds of other things that slot together. So try that out. I think you'll really dig it, and you'll be able to make some really cool things with easy slots like that.